Sure did it. Ja guys, nou kom ons nou by die riviertjie. This is our little bridge. Nee. Yeah guys, those are price spots, ne? If you have meat and garlic bread, you can come and buy it over here. This is our price stands. This is our public pool, guys, in Rehoboth, Namibia. And this water over here, ne? It's hot water, like it's warm water that we receive from our natural hot springs. As you can see, the water is coming out from there. In there, guys, from that pipe, ne? We've planted this grass last week and we are still waiting for it to grow together. Almost nog by mekaar te groei, ne? Yeah, and this is the pool, guys. We've also planted grass here. This is a renovation project because the place was abandoned for like maybe 12 to 15 years or something like that. I will find out and come back to you and confirm the date of how long it was closed. This is the pool, guys. We are still busy with it, so it's not done yet. Grass all the way. Grass in Afrikaans. We are from Rehoboth, so naturally we are Afrikaans speaking people. So yeah, this is the baby pool over here. This one's the baby pool. We've installed a small slide over there for the children. This is the playground. This is the playground. That's the slide over there. Playground, swings, sand pit. Yeah. We've done quite a lot. Let me show you the race car we've built. Boom. There's the race car. Look at the steering wheel, guys. You see? This is supposed to be a worm, but it's still missing the head piece. Yeah. Look at our plants, look at our plants, look at our plants, guys. Look at our plants. Yee! Rehoboth is progressing. This is the like tired climb of the children. Let me show you guys. You see? Boom. Okay. Now this is a fountain we've built recently. First step, second step, third step. But it's not working yet, ne? There are still 1, 2 little complications. And so we finish it up. Yeah, as you can see over here, guys, this is Rehoboth Spa, officially opened by the Minister of Nature conservation, mining, commerce, and tourism. Yep.